Good morning, everybody. So we have done 3 days riding on the Mondo, and it has been fantastic. The trails are just absolutely phenomenal in Spain. The scenery, as you guys have probably already seen, no pun intended, is just absolutely fantastic. This was the view from my room in the town we stayed at. I'll have to add that underneath here because can't pronounce half of them, but great little towns, villages, whatever you want to call them. Today's Thursday. This is day 4 of our ride. We got one more day left, and it's amazing. But you can hear the bells of the church. It's pretty awesome. The weather has been fantastic, at least for me. It's not been hot. We haven't really, I don't think we've had a day over 72, 75. It's got a little chilly up in the mountains, as you guys will see some of that, or have seen some of that. But some rain here and there, nothing to write home about, except for that night that we had to get to the start of our journey. That was, as you guys probably saw, that was pretty brutal. I think that we had some sleet on that night, but yeah, it's been great. Austin and does a great job with the routes. Very in-depth, does a lot of details, historical pieces, kind of walks you through little tidbits about Spain, a little bit tidbits about the trails, and just about the region and the area and what's going on. So it's just great. So, all right. We are on day 4 of our Spanish expedition. So, here we go. And we are off on day 4 of our Spanish expedition, the Mega Mondo. All right, we're going to stop and get some cervezas early in the morning. Oh no, I guess we're not.
The aerospace, man, that thing is all awesome. Comfortable, protected, waterproof. Looks awesome.
Nothing wrong with going down a little steep incline there to start the day. Get the blood flowing. Oh, hello, Betsy. How are you? Mega Mondo.
Hey lads, this is the end of the trail. I've only ever done this coming downhill, and it's a lot easier. And then we connect back up with a fire break, which has got an improvised trail on it, which then connects back onto another one of these trails. So we have to jungle bash our way. What we're basically going to do is we want to go up there, but we're going to. Stay tight together. Down. Stay tight together. Really close together.
All right. Bushwhacking, bushwhacking. Oh,
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh. Holy shit balls. Dan hit it good, because if you get stuck where I was at, there's a rock right behind you and it was hard to get up out of there. This is a Mega Mondo. Go, 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 go. Hold on.
Thanks, boss. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. Go.
Go, 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 go. Yeah! Mega Mondo! You got it, Tom?
Yep, good, good.
Oh!
Thank you.
Tom.
One more time.
You got it, Daniel? No! No, 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 no. Yeah! Mega Mondo! No. You got it, Chad. Come on, baby. You got this. Ah, yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Well done, everyone. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here quickly.
I don't know how Big Boy's gonna get up. Oh, fuck. Fuck. I got no momentum. Hey, can we go to the left over that way? Let's go left and go up. It's rocky, but doable. It's rocky, but doable, guys. Just keep following, you'll see me. Yeah, I'm on the trail. Just stay, and then you gotta cut right. You'll see me. Just keep coming, you'll see me. I found a trail. Okay. Anybody else coming? I hear you. Oh, fuck. We're almost up to the top, Dan. Not this way though. Right over here, Dan. Yeah. Ouch. Hey, keep an eye for him down in here too, because this is where we came out. Yeah, we came up through here. Oh, I see him. I see him. Okay, yeah, they're following. That's the trail. Oh, this is good stuff now, boys. No, I started zigzagging all the way back up through the woods there. No, I zigzagged up and halfway back.
So does it peek around?
Yeah, that does peek. There's a trail right there.
Yeah, coming in hot. Straight in, straight up. Right.
Yeah,
What took you guys so long? Do you think that was hard? Okay. With the sun directly behind you, this looks amazing. Then you just go forward to the next fallen tree, and I'll take a picture of you as you come through.
How far are you supposed to go? Oh, look at that. Nice.
That's a fantastic place to stop.
The view back was amazing. Yeah. We'll get it again, I know that. Nice one, everyone. I'm so pleased that I found this room.
We're going creekside. Hold on. Yeah. One.
Wait.
I got it. Gird your loins.
Don't stop, Tom. Don't stop.
Gird your loins.
You called me Tom, honey.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Please don't stop.
That's what she said.
Oh, God, yeah. Oh, you're so good.
Oh, that felt awesome.
Oh, God.
Help, help, help.
Make love to me now. Oh, my God. Welcome to the hand cam. Look, did you chop both?
Chad, did you film that? Hey, it's called improvisation. I went off script. Oh, that's a little sloppy right there. All right, this is probably about the extent of our riding for today, guys.
Oh, the live long day.
Can you give me a little? Hey, Chad, just continue to stand there and let me do this.
That's it. Let's have some of that pioneer spirit.
You know, Lewis and Clark didn't have a fan.
Friggin' Lewis and Clark up here.
Where's Dan at? Where's the rest of them? Let's
Heads up,
go.
heads up. It might
Guys out
break.
here.
It might break.
Mega Mondo. Oh boy, that was rough cutting all those tree limbs. Hell yeah. Help on the next round is what you're saying?
You are not helping.
Oh, cleared. Oh. Yeah, we get to the next level there, Greg, and it's up. I thought we were lumberjacks. Ooh. Yeah, really. And slimy pebbles.
That was the most, given that that's like the fourth time I've been through there, that was easily the most traumatic version of it. Pretty fun there. That's why I didn't say anything like, we've got a spicy treat coming up.
Now that's the shit that we get ourselves into all the time.
That's our typical kind of run. With the big bike.
With GSs, yeah. It's insane.
He's got it. He's got it. Got to pop it right there. Oh. Oh shit. Hold up, we got you. Hold up.